Learn fruit vocabulary in English.
Orange, orange, orange. Oranges are packed with vitamin C, perfect for keeping you healthy and strong. Orange, orange. Lemon, lemon, lemon. Lemons are sour but powerful. They fight germs with vitamin C. Lemon, lemon. Strawberry, strawberry, strawberry. Strawberries are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, sweet and powerful. Strawberry, strawberry. Melon, melon, melon. Melons are juicy and full of vitamin C, cool and healthy. Melon, melon. Pineapple, pineapple, pineapple. Pineapples are rich in vitamin C and bromelain, great for immunity and digestion. Pineapple, pineapple. Dragon fruit, dragon fruit, dragon fruit. Dragon fruits are full of vitamin C and antioxidants, great for your skin and immune system. Dragon fruit, dragon fruit. Banana, banana, banana. Bananas are full of potassium, great for strong muscles and energy. Banana, banana. Grapes, grapes, grapes. Grapes are rich in potassium and resveratrol, great for your heart and blood flow. Grapes, grapes. Apple, apple, apple. Apples are rich in fiber, great for digestion and a happy tummy. Apple, apple. Pear, pear, pear. Pears are gentle on the tummy and full of fiber for smooth digestion. Pear, pear. Mango, mango, mango. Mangoes are full of vitamin A and fiber, great for your eyes and digestion. Mango, mango. Peach, peach, peach. Peaches are rich in vitamin A and fiber, great for bright eyes and happy tummies. Peach, peach. Blueberry, blueberry, blueberry. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants, great for your brain and memory. Blueberry, blueberry. Cherry, cherry, cherry. Cherries contain natural melatonin, great for sleep and brain health. Cherry, cherry. Watermelon, watermelon, watermelon. Watermelons are 92% water, super refreshing on sunny days. Watermelon, watermelon. Coconut, coconut, coconut. Coconut water is full of electrolytes, a natural energy and hydration booster. Coconut, coconut.
Great job! You've just explored the world of fruits. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. We have fun new videos every week, just for you. See you next time. Bye bye!